Welcome everyone. Creating coupons on TeeChip only requires you to follow a few steps and is a great marketing strategy to drive traffic to your campaigns. Let's get started. To create your coupons, go to the campaigns page of your TeeChip dashboard and scroll down to reveal the campaign you want to add a coupon to. Click the Details button for the campaign, then click Coupons in the second navigation bar at the top. This page reveals the two types of coupons you can add to your TeeChip store: regular or campaign coupons, and universal coupons, where universal coupons allow you to apply the same discount to multiple campaigns. Both coupon types follow the same process to create. Simply click Add Coupon to bring up the dialog box where you can name your coupon code and choose between dollar or percentage discount and free shipping. Once completed, your coupon code is ready to be applied. In order for your universal and campaign coupons to work, you must first attach your coupon code to your campaign URL before you share the link. To do so, first choose the name of the coupon you want to use. In this case, we're using our Suns Out 20 coupon. Locate and click the Share button in the top right corner. Click Copy next to the coupon URL. Paste the copied URL. Then, replace the Your Coupon portion at the end of the URL with the coupon name that you chose. To preview the coupon in your web browser, simply hit Enter on your keyboard. Now, your coupon is complete, and you can use this new URL for all your promotions like Facebook ads or email marketing. A few things to note. Never send customers just the coupon code. Coupon codes only work if they are attached to a campaign URL. Also, percentage discounts and free shipping tend to be the most popular overall, but every brand is different, so test out what works for you. And that about covers it. Thanks for watching.